We're here and gathered in the spirit of impact to honor what has been built, imagine what is possible, and ignite and spark a collective action. Too many young people were being left behind.
How do we affect change in the communities that we call home? Economic empowerment is really what we settled on.
Through football, through arts, through education and empowerment.
Helping youth not only in Philadelphia and New Orleans, but all across the country.
We're doing it with our community, which is the best thing.
Impacting more than 113,000 lives.
JUMP is happy to support Malcolm Jenkins Foundation here at the Spirit of Impact tonight.
Together we can change 1 million lives. 1 million lives. And in doing so, we can change the future for us all.